Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Blessing.V. Please be sure to follow me on IG. I know what you're thinking. Like, yo, where he been? He was consistent. Now he falling off again. It's not even that, man. I haven't taken a trade in, I'll say, like maybe 5 days. I have not been able to get a setup. Not sure what's going on with the market, but it's just been dropping like crazy. Haven't been given any opportunity for me to get in. So, you know, I'm not going to put any good money behind bad risk. So I just haven't been taking a trade. But I have been literally setting up my camera and recording for the last 5 days straight. Y'all ain't get a video because I haven't got a setup. Sorry, I don't know what to say, man. But in today's video, hopefully we're able to post this. I'm going to take a smart quality trade. I'm going to put good money behind good risks. I'm going to have proper risk management, and I'm simply going to press the button and follow my rules. But with that being said, let's get straight into the video. All right, so the higher time frames are looking good. Let's go back to my 3-minute time frame. All right, the reason why I'm getting ready to take a sell, hopefully I can get in for these sales. Hopefully the market just does not drop right now. But the reason why I'm looking to take sales is simply because of the higher time frame influence, my technical analysis, and the order flow chart. Higher time frame. What did you say, nigga? Higher time frame confluence. Basically, the market is already dropping. The hour selling, the 30-minute selling is breaking past the previous candles. Boom. That simple. Now, technical. Well, no. Let's go to order flow analysis. So our order flow analysis, and I can't show you at this moment because it's just gonna look weird. It's not gonna. You're not gonna understand it, to be honest. But I'm gonna explain it though. So what I'm seeing on the order flow chart, you see where those engulfings are? There's 2 engulfings on this 3-minute time frame. Now, on the order flow chart, there is buyers that tried to push the market up, and they ended up having no follow through. Like, they tried to push the market up, but you know, instead of them continuing to go up on the next candle, it literally wasn't engulfing. And on the order flow chart, you seen it as buyers trying to step into the market, and then the buyers became weak, and then the sellers started to take control, and now we have engulfing candlesticks. So it's pretty that simple, to be honest. I'm gonna show you all after the trade is done. Hopefully we're able to get a setup, I'm not gonna lie. And technical analysis, right now I'm looking for a breakup of low setup. I could have taken it where those rejections were, and I would have probably had like a bigger risk to reward. But at the end of the day, I want to be safe, I want to be smart, and I want to put good money behind good risk. So I'm gonna wait for the low to be broken, because this low is like the low of the lowest low of the year, to be honest. So yeah, I'm really just waiting for a breakup of a low setup. Hopefully we can get that, and the market just doesn't, you know, just drop and just keep dropping, because that's what I've been dealing with the last, I'll say, 5 trading days. It's been pretty annoying, I'm not gonna lie. I sat and watched a 1 to 10 happen, waiting for a break and retest, did not get one break and retest. It literally just kept dropping. All right, now this is what I was referring to. Hopefully the market just does not start falling. We have 45 seconds until this candlestick close. I want this candlestick close I want it to close just like this. I don't want it to close below the black line, because it'll make it almost impossible for me to take a setup, because I don't use a 1-minute stop loss. That's not safe. That's not a shot that I would take, to be honest. We got 30 seconds left. Come on, market. I'm really doing something that's not good and trying to impose my will on the market. But I really do not want this current candlestick to close past that black line. Jeez. All right, now we got sellers starting to step into the market. Oh my gosh. Come on. Okay, we're good. We got 3 seconds left. All right, we good. Let's go. All right, now I just want it to push up. I don't want it to retest. I want it to just go up just a little bit and start a rejection, and maybe give me a pin bar so I can get in on a low probability variation. All right, I'm getting ready to take my trade. 70-point stopper. All right, buyers are trying to step into the market, but they're getting rejected. This is a great sign right now. And we got some sellers that are here as well. That's what you want to see when you're looking at the order flow chart. You want to, if you're taking a sell, you want to see buyers step into the market but have no follow through. 5 minutes, getting ready to close in a minute. So that's good as well. Just being patient right now. Oof, I almost popped my trade right there. I want to see a pin bar. I'll either get in on this candle if it's a pin bar, or on the next candle if it breaks through the low of this candle. All right, it pushed up just a little bit more. All right, buyers are definitely trying to step into the market now, but sellers are fighting. We're already in a downtrend. All our EMAs are above. We're chilling. Buyers pump faking right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not scared of that. All right, got a pin bar. It's trying to push up. Sellers are here. Let's go. All right, we in. Safe stop loss. Great entry. Let's see what the market gonna do. We got a minute until this candlestick closes. The buyers just simply, they had no follow through. Let's go, man. Buyers had no follow through. That's the order flow chart for you, man. All right. So okay, so we aiming for like we're aiming for a 1 to 2, but I'm gonna try to capitalize on a 1 to 3. All right, 5 minute is getting ready to close. It's piercing through the low. That's what I want to see. Not a big rejection. New 5 minute candlestick just opened. All right, order flow. It's some volume. Volume is stepping into the market right now. Hopefully our stop loss is okay. Our stop loss does not look good on the 5 minute, but it looks good on the 3. We got volume stepping into the market. Please don't wake me out. Come on, we needed to break past that previous wick. We needed to break past that. Okay, boom, we got to break past. All right, we looking all right on the 5 minute, 3 minute. Okay, 3 minute looking good. I'm not gonna lie, this is something I practice, man. This is something I watch film on. That next candlestick, that's gonna be the one right there. I'm telling you that's gonna be the one. Now this, imagine if the market just stopped right now. Like this candlestick just, well, we got 6 seconds. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, boom. So if I didn't already enter, as soon as it breaks, this would have been my entry. And we kind of getting that now. We got selling that's already stepping in. Boom, that would have been another entry for me, and I would have had my stop loss maybe above, maybe at the same point. But I got a better entry, just being a little bit aggressive. We had $100 profit. We looking pretty good right now. Order flow chart, sellers are in the market. $200 profit. Well, 170 now, 190. Okay, the market moved fast, man. We looking pretty good. I'm not even gonna, I can move my stop loss to break even, because I just know this setup that well, but I'm not, because you can't impose your will on the market. That's one thing. Just never impose your will in the market, because when the market, show you who boss, you're gonna be feeling hurt. But we had $220 profit. Let's go back to the 5 minute. All right, 5 minute looking good. 15 looking great. 30 looking great as well. All right, I'm gonna move my stop loss down in just a little bit. Boom. All right, now I can move my stop loss down. All right, that was $290 profit. All right, oof. Yo, I'm trying to close some positions, man. All right, boom, we're gonna close 2, because literally that was our trade right now. Like that was our original plan to close 2 at TP2, but we closed 2 at like TP3. All right, I'm trying to move this around. I mean, I don't want to close all. I could close all, but I don't want to do that. I'm gonna close one more, because we at our zone right now and we're getting kind of a rejection. All right, I'm trying to move my buy stop, bro, and trying to change the contracts on it, but it's not showing me. All right, there it is. All right, boom. All right, modify that. All right, now we chilling. All right, yeah, now we chilling. I'm gonna move my stop loss down. We at 135. I think we have $400 profit, because I closed 3 positions at 400. I mean, at 400. So that's like maybe like 350 that I closed. Right now we at $100. I'm gonna just get rid of this closed position ready, because we are getting a rejection. Order flow, buyers are starting to step into the market, and we have news in 7 minutes. I don't know how this news is going to make the market react, but at the end of the day, I made money already, so it's whatever. It's whatever, but I'm definitely trying to capitalize the most right now. I believe we're at TP3 right now. All right, we get a rejection. 3 seconds left. All right, that's not a, that's an okay rejection, I'm not gonna lie. But at the end of the day, we are kind of low. Like, it's been a lot of selling today, a lot of selling yesterday, a lot of selling last week. But I need to see the market continue. If it doesn't continue, I'm getting ready to close. All right, buyers are stepping into the market. This is not good. All right, I think I'm getting ready to close just to capitalize. All right, boom.
Give me that nickel.
All right, could have jumped the gun. Oof. All right, my stop loss would have got hit anyway. Yeah, could have. The only reason I closed was because, like, with this pullback, like, where's the market going to go other than back to my, entry? So I just capitalized as much as possible, and we got us a good trade. We closed at TP2, but we did close a lot of our trades at like TP 2.5. So we capitalized. Let's see how much we made. All right, so we made $421 in a span of, I'll say, like 6.5 minutes. All right, so let's do a post-market thought. So my post-market thought is I'm pretty excited that I took that trade, because I've been waiting like 4 to 5 days just to take a trade, 4 to 5 days just to post a video. So I'm pretty excited that I was able to actually get a trade, because the last couple days, man, I was just watching, bro. I watched a 1 to 10 trade play out, and I was going to be risking like $500, bro. That's like 5 bands, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like, it's insane what the market was doing these last couple days. But I'm happy that I was able to capitalize on this trade. I wish I could have made more, but I'm not tripping, because $421 in a span of 6.5 minutes. You feel me, bro? All I gotta do is get 3 funded accounts. $400, $800, $1,200 in a span of 6.5 minutes, man. So that's the goal, man. I want to get 3 funded accounts, so I'm able to copy trade on those 3 accounts. So my $400 days turn into $1,200 days, straight like that, man. That's $1,200 in a day. 1,200. What's 12 times 3? 36. That's 36 in a week, man. That's gonna be like a 10K month. You feel me? So that's just how I'm thinking about it right now. But hey. Let's go over the breakdown. I'm thinking too far ahead. I'm manifesting too hard right now, man. But let's go over a little breakdown. Oh no, you thought I caught that? Oh no. That, remember our little 1 and 2 we were so happy about? The market went for a 1 to 6, bro. Literally, the market went for a 1 to 6, bro. Got it. That's crazy, bro. Came literally back to my entry and they went for a 1 to 6. You know what? Let's just break down the trade and we can go over how we could have capitalized off of that move. At news. All right, so let's go to the hour time frame. This is what I meant by the overall hour time frame of selling. So we have a variation on a higher time frame that pushed the market all the way down. One thing about me, I don't trade in between zones. So, I could have taken this right here, but this was the 9:30 open candle. And look at the hour. This hour close was great, I'm not gonna lie. Literally strong close, pierced through. Of course the market wants to continue because that was a piercing through. If it didn't want to continue, it would have rejected. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. Let me get this on the screen. 30-minute time frame. This looks great as well, but that's not my entry time frame. But as you can see, 30-minute, another strong close, looks just like the hour. Let's go to the 15 and see if we see anything different. 15-minute, nothing different. Like, the main thing of why I wanted to take this trade is because the market, it was already selling. So like, why are we trying to buy, And then we have this up here. On every time frame, it looked great for sales. Like, this was the area where you wanted to see the market literally go up, do this, and then buy. So if you wanted to see buys, you would have wanted to see something like this. But on every single time frame, you have the market just looks good for sales. Engulfing right here on the 30-minute. Hour, you got a rejection, straight drop. So everything just looks good for sales up there where we wanted to see if we were going to take buys. That's where we would have took them. Now let's go to this time frame right here, the 5-minute time frame, and let's go to our entry. Now let me get rid of this, and I'm gonna show you all exactly what I meant. when I set the order flow chart. I'm not gonna show you all the order flow chart, but I'm gonna just break it down as best as possible. Actually, I'll show y'all a little something. So when it came down to this right here, so there were a lot of buyers in this area, and in my head I'm thinking, okay, well, you know, it's a lot of rejection inside of this little area right here. So in my head I'm thinking, well, maybe the market wants to reject and give me that break and retest set up here. That's what I'm thinking after I seen, you know, this rejection right here. And we have buyers on the order flow chart literally in this area right here. Now, when it comes down to this candlestick right here, now if the buyers wanted to step in and push the market up, then why are we seeing it engulfing? So basically the sellers are still in control. We got the buyers try to push up again. Once the market gets right here, there are no buyers. Like, there are literally no buyers in this area. And then look, we got us another engulfing right here. So in my head, that told me, okay, well, this break of a low is going to be valid because the market tried to push up, the buyers just weren't there. So if the buyers aren't there at the top of the range, why would they be there at the bottom of the range? So that's basically why I was like extremely confident in my sells. And this candlestick right here, you got a piercing through the zone. That just looks great. I'm not gonna lie, that just looks great. Let's go to the 3 minute where I took my entry. Now, there was multiple ways to enter. As you can see, I got in a little bit early because there was a 3 minute pin bar. It didn't close. Let me push that back. It didn't close as a pin bar, but I seen it as a pin bar, and that was my entry. So, you know, your entry is based on, like, you know, your style of trading. Your entry is going to be always like mine. But another entry you could have took is this one right here. This is a low probability variation. You would have to move your stop loss up a little bit, which would have aided into your risk to reward. But at the end of the day, with a move like this, bro, you're risking 141 points for 921 or even 1,000. So, you know, you definitely could have capitalized on this trade. The reason why I got out of my trade was simply because it would have came back to my break even regardless. Like, I got in early, it still would have came back to my break even, and I would have, you know, been cooked. Now, I made $421. Now, if I was feeling a little bit more aggressive, I could have taken the trade right here after it came up, rejected, gave me some selling pressure, and then this candlestick right here. So I could have really taken this one right here and then had my stops above. That's just a solid trade. Zone to zone, 1 to 5. Sorry, hold on. 1 to 7. God, that was a solid trade. Could have waited for a break and retest. You got a rejection right here. I don't really take that style of, I don't really take that type of trade right there. Even though it's a pin bar, I probably wouldn't have taken that unless the 5 minute looks pretty good. 5 minute does not look too good for me, so, you know, I wouldn't have taken that trade. But that's how I was able to capitalize off of that. Let me just show you all the order flow, just so y'all can see it for yourself. All right, hopefully this can make sense. Hopefully you can see it okay. I know that you probably can't, but I'm just gonna put it in the video because I'm stupid. All right, so as you can see, this is the candlestick I was talking about right there, where I thought that the market was going to hit a break and retest due to the rejection. You can see there's a lot of buying pressure, but on the next candle, the market did not follow through with any of those buyers. There were a lot of buyers here, so the market did try to push up again, but at the end of the day, you know, there's no follow through. There was no buying volume at that area right there. After we seen this engulfing, after we have the rejection, push up, failed, then we got another push up, fail, and then we got to push down. In my head, I'm like, okay, well, they're clearly getting, you know, thrown around. No way the market wants to buy up. So as soon as I get a break of a low, that's an extra confirmation to take the sell. As soon as I seen my entry confirmation, it was go time. Even if you didn't capitalize on the sell that I took, that was before news, you could have took another sell after news. So yeah, man, today was a great day. There was a lot of money that could have been made, man. There's a lot of money that could have been made, man. This is the order flow chart when it comes down to my entry. Like I said, there's a lot of volume that kind of stepped into the market, pushed the market down. We had this little retest. Literally, buyers are trying to push the market up, but there was no type of follow through. Market just simply dropped. So, all right, man, I'm annoyed. So, let me get this off screen. I'm actually annoyed, man. There was plenty of opportunity to make more money, man. But it's okay, man. That's a part of the game, man. Trading it's not easy, bro. Like, you can understand how to trade, but then you gotta understand the mental part of it, bro. Like, are you gonna stay in your trade? Are you gonna exit your trade? What you gonna do? Like, all this stuff happened in a matter of seconds, bro. Like, this is not an easy game, man. But $421 in the span of 6.5 minutes. Happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I won. I'm green for the week. But man, that being said, man, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all found it very helpful. And we got a lot more videos popping up. I'm not gonna lie, you see that whiteboard in the back? We about to cook, my boy. Like, hey, yeah, we here, man. If you are enjoying me uploading, then be sure to like on the video, tell a friend. If you ain't subscribed, might as well subscribe. It makes me continue to post because the dopamine. But with that being said, man, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's your boy Forex, and I'm gone.